Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna explain to you what Facebook Advantage Plus campaigns are and how to use them. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Alex and I own an e-commerce growth agency, and we help e-commerce businesses scale to 7 figures and beyond. The services we provide are Facebook ads, email marketing, Google ads, TikTok ads and Pinterest ads. So let's hop into my computer and I'll show you how to utilize Advantage Plus campaigns. So here we are in my computer, guys, and I'm gonna show you how you can create Advantage Plus campaigns. But first, Advantage Plus campaigns are a product of Meta which leverages machine learning, and it requires fewer changes during the creation of the ad. So to create one, you're gonna hit create, you're gonna choose your objective, then here you're gonna click Advantage Plus campaign, hit continue. Here you can choose where you want to take people. Is it the website? Is it the website and shop? Is the website and app? I would recommend you to go website and shop because Facebook is trying to push people to shop on their app. So I would highly recommend you to test it out. Then choose your commerce account with the products, choose the country, and then here it automatically is going to populate with all of your retargeting audiences. To change the retargeting audiences, you're going to go into your account settings and you can create more audiences that you want to include here. You're going to choose the budget. So here, this is very key. Now, existing customer budget cap. If you select this, you can choose how much of your total budget is going to go towards these audiences and how much of the total budget is going to go towards prospecting. With prospecting, unfortunately, you can't choose any audiences, so it's basically going to target broad, so everyone between the age of 18 and 65. So for example, if your budget is $100 a day and you set an existing customer budget cap to be at, let's say, 1%, only $1 of the $100 is gonna go towards the retargeting campaigns. The rest of the $99 is gonna go towards prospecting. You can select a start and end date, and you can click the attribution setting. For the attribution setting, I would recommend you to go with 7-day click and 1-day view. Hit next. Here, you need to select the business. You can choose if you want to do single image or video. You can choose catalog. You can choose carousels, collections, again, single image or video. And here you can start adding your creatives. Select primary text, headline, description, call to action. And then with the website and shop, select the link where you want to take people on your website. And then make sure the shop is selected here as well. When you go down, make sure you create your URL parameters and you launch. And that's about it, guys. It's very simple. You can create it in just a couple of steps. So from my personal experience, Advantage Plus ads work in some accounts and in some they don't. I would recommend you to use them only for retargeting if you're gonna test them out. For prospecting, I wouldn't recommend so, simply because you can't choose a gender. So if your product is focused on females only or on males only, you can't select the gender. You can't select the age range as well. So it's basically very, very broad audience, and you're gonna spend your budget on people that are not gonna buy your products. So that's why spend it only on retargeting. When you want to use it for retargeting, don't use the existing customer budget cap, and make sure all of those audiences are retargeting. And yep, that's about it. If you found value in this video, like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out get these videos out there, and it helps the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you own an e-commerce business and you want to scale it, or you're not happy with your current agency's performance, hit the link in the description and book a call with me, and I'll be happy to see where you're at and see if we can help you. So that's about it, guys. Thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.